So this is how you can delete your Snapchat account using your Android device. Let's get into it. At first, you need to locate your Snapchat app. It is likely already installed on your device, so just open it up and then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Once you do so, you are in your profile. So I want you to click on the settings icon at the gear in the top corner. Tap on it to enter the settings. Now, so many different things which you can customize, but part of the main account section, if you scroll down towards the bottom, you can find the delete account button. So if you tap on it, it asks you for more confirmation, right? So if you just click on that, it will redirect you to your Snapchat like website, and you need to log in there, where you will have to confirm the like account deletion process, right? So it wouldn't be able to be just like deleted with a click of a button. You need to confirm it by signing in once again. So it redirects you to a website. So you have to just sign there. And after you do this, after you confirm, your account will be deleted, or better said, it will be deactivated for the period of 30 days, after which it will be permanently deleted. And during those 30 days, you can log back into Snapchat, and this will cancel the deletion process. So it is pretty simple to understand and use, but that's how it essentially works. So let me know below in the comments if you have some more questions or thoughts about it. You might be interested in hearing from other people as well. So go ahead and share your experiences. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.